So the hype is for real. Sony is going to launch the Xperia XZ4 as a successor to XZ3. The device is a next level upgrade and also a solid competitor for the Galaxy S10. We all are looking forward to it, and without wasting any more time, let's have a look at the top 5 features of this tall flagship. It all starts with battery, where the XZ4 is expected to pack a freaking 4400 mAh battery. I know it doesn't come as a surprise to you, as a lot of manufacturers have started bundling a 5000 mAh package, but when we consider hardware, software and pricing of this device, it is a big deal. No smartphone manufacturer has gone for such a good number, at least for a flagship phone. The Xperia XZ4 will come with the Snapdragon 855 chipset, which is an energy efficient processor, and more importantly, the software, which is really close to stock, never compromises with the battery life. So this should be enough to give you a full day juice, and possibly even more than that. The device comes with the Snapdragon 855 chipset and 6 gigs of RAM, which is pretty decent at this point, as it helps to maintain the cost of the device to a certain limit. And also with this stock Android experience, Sony promises to deliver the best user experience till date. I do have some benchmarks, and the latest one is sufficient to make you believe. This thing is running on the Snapdragon 855 chipset with no info regarding the RAM, but keeping that to a very hidden zone, it managed to outperform Apple's A12 Bionic chip, Kirin 980 and even other Snapdragon 855 powered phones. Let's admit this, Sony shouldn't have gone with the ditch trend, and now they know it better. It has got a triple rear camera setup that accommodates a 16 megapixel telephoto lens, 52 megapixel primary lens with f1.6 aperture and the very new TOF lens. Yup, the 52 megapixel lens, which is the highest megapixel count on any smartphone right now. Also, it's capable of great low light performance. When we look at the theory of this camera system, the 52 megapixel sensor will combine multiple pixels into one, so that you can get the best shot that should stand somewhere between 10 to 12 megapixel. The TOF lens is a type of 3D package that will allow you to take great portrait shots, and the wow factor doesn't end here. The TOF lens present here will be capable of doing this. This is the most highlighting feature of XZ4. Obviously it's happening for the first time, and the smartphone that will admire this design is gonna be there as an option in almost every region. The 21:9 aspect ratio display is capable of playing a full screen video without even cropping it, so that you can experience a very proper theater view. The best part of this story is that the company is not going for a notch or holes, instead they believe in a design like this. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.